Chapter 21, Pythagoras. We're going to begin by identifying the hypotenuse of a triangle. Pause the video and have a go at example 1. The hypotenuse of a right triangle is always the side opposite the right angle. It is the longest side in a right triangle, and we mean a right-angled triangle. So example 1, identify the hypotenuse in the following triangles. So here we have triangle ABC. The right angle is here. The side opposite that right angle is this one here. So this is our hypotenuse. We'll call that AC. In part B, we've got a right angled triangle again. Here's a right angle. The side opposite that is PR. That's our hypotenuse, PR. And then triangle XYZ. The right angle is here. Opposite that is the side XY. That is the hypotenuse. So I've used the right angle to identify each time, but you can just spot which side is the longest. And that's the hypotenuse.